Good morning students. In the previous video we have started with the word problems of simultaneous linear equations. Today I will continue the same topic by taking few more examples of different type. So student, the question is, if 11 pens and 19 pencils together cost is rupees 502 while 19 pens and 11 pencils together cost is rupees 758, how much 3 pens and 6 pencils cost together? So let's start with the solution. First we'll suppose the cost of 1 pen and 1 pencil. Let the cost of 1 pen is X and the cost of 1 pencil is rupees Y. Now see, if 1 pen cost is X, so 11 pens cost is 11X and 19 pencils cost will be 19Y. Together means plus. The total is equals to 502. So our first equation is 11x plus 19y is equals to 502. Now come to the second statement. While 19 pens and 11 pencils together cost is 758. So 1 pen cost is x. So 19 pens cost is 19x. And 11 pencils cost will be 11y. Together means add plus. This is equals to 758. Now we got the second equation and we know how to solve both the equations simultaneously. Again, choice is yours. Any method you can use. I am using elimination method. Multiply the first equation with 19, coefficient of x, and second equation by 11. So it's become 209x plus 361y is equals to 9538. And second equation, when we multiply by 11, it becomes 209x plus 121y is equals to 8338. Subtract the equations. This is cancel. So it's left with 240y is equals to 1200. So y is equals to 1200 divided by 240. That is equals to 5. So cost of 1 pencil is rupees 5. Now we will put this value of y in any one of the equation. I am putting it in the first equation. So 11x plus 95 is equals to 502. 11x is equals to 407 and x is equals to 37. So cost of 1 pen is rupees 37 and cost of 1 pencil is rupees 5. But they have asked how much 3 pens and 6 pencils together cost. So our answer will be 3x plus 6y. Their together cost, not a single cost of pen and pencil. So 3 into 37 plus 6 into 5. So it becomes 111 plus 30. That is equals to 141 rupees. So this is the answer, children. Next question is based on age problems. So question is, 1 year ago a man was 4 times as old as his son. After 6 years his age exceeds twice his son's age by 9 years. Find their present ages. So here we have two characters. First is the father, second is the son. Suppose let the present age of man is x years and the present age of son is y years. This is the present age. Now the question starts from 1 year ago. So 1 year ago, what is the man age? Man's age will be, if present is x, so 1 year ago means previous, so it's x minus 1. We will subtract for ago and after or later we will add, and son age is y minus 1. Now we will apply the condition in these two ages. So they said 1 year ago a man was, what is a man age? X minus 1 was is equals to 4 times 4 into the son's age. What is the son age? Y minus 1. So equation becomes x minus 1 is equals to 4y minus 4. When we open the bracket, we have to multiply with both the terms. So equation is x minus 4y is equals to minus 3. This is our first equation. I've now come to the second part of the question. After 6 years from the present. Okay, so after 6 years, first we will find out their ages. So man age will be, present is x. So after 6 years means in future it will be x plus 6. And son age will be y plus 6. So in these two ages we have to apply the next condition. The condition is after 6 years man age exceeds. So what is a man age? X plus 6 exceeds. Exceed parts I already explained in the previous video also. We will do exceed part after putting the is equals to. Okay, so x plus 6 is equals to twice his son's age. 2 times what is the son age? Y plus 6. Exceed means plus. So how much it exceeds? By 9 years. So equation is x plus 6 is equals to 2y plus 12 plus 9. Okay, so what is the, we will solve this. It becomes x minus 2y is equals to 12 minus 6 plus 9. So it becomes x minus 2y is equals to 6 plus 9. So x minus 2y is equals to 15. This is our second equation. Solve now both the equation with any method. I am using elimination. It's minus 2y is equals to minus 18. So y is equals to minus 18 upon minus 2, that is 9 years. So son age is 9. Now put the value of x in any one of the equation. Choice is yours. I am putting it in the second equation. So x is equals to 33 years. So father age is 33 years and son age is 9 years. The present age. Present age we have taken it as x and y. So this is the answer. Now let's take the another type. There are two examination halls A and B. If 12 pupils are sent from A to B, the number of pupils in each room becomes the same. And if 11 pupils are sent from B to A, the number of pupils in A is double the number in B. Find the number of pupils in each room. So first we'll suppose let the number of pupils in room A is X and the number of pupils in room B be Y. Now read the statement carefully. If 12 pupils are sent from A to B, means earlier the number of students were X, now 12 students are reduced in A and they have added in room B. So the Y strength will be, B strength will be Y plus 12. They say the number of people in each room. Now strength of A is X minus 12 and strength of B is Y plus 12. Then the number of people in each room becomes same. Means now the number of students in each room is equal. So X minus Y is equals to 12 plus 12 is 24. So this is our first equation. X minus Y is equals to 24. Now come to the second statement. If 11 people are sent from room B to A, now earlier B strength was Y. So number of students are shifted from B. So here the number of children is reduced in room B and room A strength will be X plus 11 because these 11 students have been shifted to room A. Now the condition is the number of people in A, this is the strength of A, this is equals to double the number of students left in B. So it's double the number of students that is in room B. So when we open, we will get the second equation. So x minus 2y is equals to minus 33. So these are the two equations. We will solve both the equations simultaneously to get the solution. So x minus y is equals to 24. X minus 2y is equals to minus 33. Already coefficients are same. Subtract y is equals to 57. The number of students in room B is 57. Now get the value of x. Put it in any one of the equation. So x is equals to 57 plus 24. That is equals to 81. So number of students in room A is 81 and room B is 57. So this is the answer. So children, next we'll start with the next type of the question, that is based on area of rectangle. The area of rectangle gets reduced by 8 meters square if the length is reduced by 5 and width is increased by 3, and if we increase the length by 3 and width by 2, the area is increased by 74 meters square. Find the length and width of the rectangle. So first we'll suppose let the length of the rectangle be x and width of the rectangle is y. Now area of the rectangle, as we all know, L into B, length into width, so it becomes x into y is xy. This is the original area of the rectangle. Now we'll come to the conditions. Condition is the area of the rectangle is reduced by 8, means xy is reduced by 8 meters square if we increase the length by 5 and width by 3. So we'll come to the new length. New length is reduced, so x minus 5, and new width is increased by 3, so it becomes y plus 3. So what is our new area according to the new length and width? L into B again, x minus 5 into y plus 3. This is our new area. Now they said this new area is equals to, it reduced by 8, means this area is 8 meters square less than the previous area. Previous means the original area. Okay, so original area 8 is subtracted from the original area. Now open the brackets. When we open the brackets, we will get the second equation. Xy cancel, so 3x minus 5y is equals to 7. This is our first equation. Now we'll come to the second part of the question. If we increase the length by 3 and width by 2, now the again new length is increased, so x plus 3, and new width is increased by 2, and the new width is y plus 2. So the area is, what is the new area? New length into new width. Now they said that this new area is increased by 74. So again we open the brackets and we will get our second equation. Xy cancel, so 2x plus 3y is equals to 68. This is our second equation. Now we will solve both the equations simultaneously. This is the first equation. 2x plus 3y is equals to 68. First is to be multiplied with 2, second is with 3. So it's 6x minus 10y is equals to 14. This is 6x plus 9y is equals to 204. Subtract, this is cancelled, so minus 19y is equals to minus 190. So y is equals to 10. Now we'll put in any one of the equation. So 3x minus 5y is equals to 7. So 3x minus 5 into 10 is equals to 7. So 3x is equals to 57. X is equals to 57 upon 3, that is 19. So length is 19 meters and width is 10 meters. So this is our answer, length and width of the rectangle. So students, today I'll give you the same type of question for practice. You please practice those questions. Thank you.